Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present to you about the phylum Platyhelminthes, also known as flatworms. Introduction. First, it is triphoblastic. It means the organ system formed out of 3 germ layers, which is an outer ectoderm and inner endoderm with a mesoderm between them. Bilaterally symmetrical, unsegmented and flattened shape. Second, digestive system with single opening. Flatworm has mouth but no anus. Third, flatworm mark the beginning of cephalization. Cephalization is the development in the head region of light-sensitive organ called ocelli. Ocelli is something like eye spot. Fourth, excretion and osmoregulation by phylum cell. Excretion is a process which metabolic waste is eliminated from an organism. Fifth, most are hermaphrodites and parasite. Hermaphrodites mean an organism that produce gametes normally associated with both male and female sexes. Okay. Six, it is ecolomate, no coelom. Ecolomate is means their bodies contain no cavities or spaces between the outer surface and the inner digestive tract. Okay. 7, adaptation to life as parasite includes first, producing large number of eggs, reduce of non-essential structure not related to reproduction, protection from the host defense mechanism. 3 major classes of flatworm. First is class Castoda. It is endoparasitic. It means they're a parasite that lives within the body of the host. It has an elongated body divided into proloctides that are able to break off. Second, it thick cuticle and possesses sucker and hooks on scolex. Cuticle is the outer layer of their bodies and scolex is the head-like segment of the tapeworm. Okay, for class Castoda, the example is tapeworm tania. Okay, second class is class Termatoda. It also endoparasitic. Leaf-like with ventricle sucker in addition to sucker on the scolex. It also has thick cuticle. The example is Fasciola. And third class is class Turbellaria. It is free living, means it doesn't live in the body of a host, and aquatic. Second is soft, leaf-like body and sucker rarely present. Third, cuticle absent and ciliated outer bodies, mean their body have cilia all over them. Okay, the example of class Turbellaria is planaria. General application. First, they are common parasite in human. Second, they play important roles for healthy stream, pond and lakes. Third, they provide foods for animals like dragonflies when they are young. And fourth, 2 planarian species have been used successfully in Philippines, Indonesia, Hawaii, New Guinea and Guam to control population of the imported giant African snail Achatina felicia. And last one, the study in La Plata, Argentina shows the potential of planarians such as Girardia, Anceps, Mesostoma ehrenbergii, and Botromesostoma eveldini to reduce population of mosquito species Aedes aegypti and Culex pipiens. Okay, the taxonomy chart first. The domain is Eukarya, the kingdom is Animalia, the phylum is Platyhelminthes, the class is Castoda, there's the class Castoda, Trematoda, Turbellaria, and these are all the subclasses. And then these are the orders, and this is the family. This is the genus, and this is the species. Biological pest control during planarian. First, in Hawaii, the planarian Endivoria septemlineata has been used to control the imported giant African snail Achatina felicia, which has displacing native snail. Okay, second, uh, Peltidemus manokwari, another planarian, has been used for the same purpose in Philippines, Indonesia, New Guinea, and Guam. P. manokwari is given credit for severely reducing and in place exterminating Aphalusia, the snail. This is Aphalusia, achieving much greater success than most biological pest control programs. The ability of planarians to take different kinds of prey and to resist starvation may account their ability to decimate Aphalusia. However, these planarians are serious threat to native snail and should never be used for biological control. Okay, basically, they will like lepaskan, they will release this planarian on the soil sand to so that they will eat the snail. Okay, second, a study in La Plata, Argentina shows the potential of planarians such as Giardia and Mesostoma ehrenbergii and Botromestostoma evelini to reduce population of mosquito species Aedes aegypti and Culex pipiens. The experiment showed that G and SAP in particular can prey on all instars of both mosquito species yet maintain a steady predation rate over time. Instars, this instar it means the baby of mosquito, I mean the larva, the mosquito's larva. The first picture showed that planarian and contacting and paralyzing a mosquito larva. Second picture, planarian enveloping paralyzed mosquito larva in preparation for insertion of the feeding tube. And then third picture, planarian with feeding tube insert into mosquito larva and in the process of sucking out its body fluid. So basically, the planarian will go to the larva, something like that. Go to the larva and then it will insert its feeding tube into the larva so it can suck out the body fluid so the plant basically the larva will die. Okay. And then how parasite enter human body. First, life cycle of Taenia solium. Transmission, facial oral. Definite host human, intermediate host pigs. First, human can be infected by eating raw or undercooked pork containing the larva Cyticerus. Basically, like there's the larva is inside live inside the pig body, and if someone eat it without cooking the pork first, the larva will be still alive, and then it will enter human body. So in the small intestine, the larva attach to the gut wall and take about 3 months to grow into adult worm. And then the gravid terminal prolactates and detached jelly are passed in the feces. Okay, another one is fasciola species. This one basically the fasciola will attach on the aquatic vegetation, and then if someone or animal eat it without uh, washing the vegetable first, and then it will enter the human uh, body lah. Okay. Okay. Quranic first. Surah Al-Baqarah 173. He has forbidden you only the dead animals and the blood and the flesh of swine. Beside that, Dr. Zakir Abdul Karnai has stated in 20 most frequently asked questions about Islam, said, among the reasons of banning pork are eating pork will cause more than 70 types of disease that will be infected, including helminthes such as roundworms, pinworms, crocodile worms, and many more. Among the dangerous one is Taenia solium, according to some general terms tapeworm, stored in the intestine and very long. The ovum, the use of eggs in the bloodstream, and the ability to reach all the organs of the body. If you need a brain, it can be used for memory loss. If you need a heart, it can causes a heart attack. If there are eyes, it can cause blindness. If you choose the liver, it will cause problems in the liver. These are the reference that we use. Okay, that's all. Thank you.